No. No, wait, back up again. Slowly, got to go very slowly. Why did you turn? Why did you turn? I didn't turn.
Did I hit the board or something?
This is
What
JD, this is ridiculous.
Unless you know of a better way to do it.
Why don't you get those race
Laura
ramps?
says this is ridiculous. It's not that bad, babe. We've been doing this for how long?
I know, that's why you had to get the extra long trailer so you could fit your extra long wood in it.
Yeah. Wow. All right. We got to pretty much come up with a better way of doing this. Do you have any ideas?
Race ramps. So it'd be cheaper than this stuff. All this wood.
Yeah. Price of lumber now. Race ramps.
Race ramp.
We got the race ramps, thanks to Laura. She talked us into doing it because it was less expensive than the lumber. That's the old stuff. So I will admit, you know, a lot of people that load their cars up into trailers like this was, what we did was a little bit of exaggeration compared to what we normally do, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So.
But it was still like you would put the wood there and then you drive your car a little bit up and then you're like, oh nope, it needs to go a little higher. Then you back your car back up and stack the wood a little bit. Be almost about to hit here. So then you'd fix that, but then you'd be almost about to hit here, and you had to start moving everything.
And it's crazy. And these things are super light. So we've got two different styles here just to kind of show you guys. Race ramps, if you go on their website, they have a way to measure properly, and if you follow the instructions on how to measure. These are two different style ramps. They look about the same, but I'll show you the different style on these. So these have, well, they both have the cutout for the trailer, and these have the cutout for the trailer that also has the notch for the flap as well. I'll show you guys kind of how both of those work. I went with both sets because I wanted to try them out. We did take our flap off the trailer because I actually kind of like these better, and just because I don't have to deal with the flap. And these things are super light, like even Laura can lift them. You can't?
I can't do it.
Really? It's just a giant piece of foam. It's crazy. All it is they're super light. I want to do like a hook or some sort of like, some way to like kind of hang them in there. So I want to make like a mount or something. Chevy Tom's over here hiding. He was running around trying to hide from the camera earlier. Yeah. Show him how these ramps work. You can see the lines on the trailer. That's normally where we line them up. You can see what kind of where the car was. But look, Tom's, look at that. See how fast she spun that around? She's like a professional at this. Look at that. That's perfect. And we should get no rubbing with this.
Indent here for your flap to go there. See, a little groove for that, and then another one for the
wow
flap.
Yep.
Amazing.
You're a dork.
And look at that pink reflection.
That pink reflection? Yeah. Look at her. Tom's gonna pull the car over here because look at this sunset. We're gonna try to get a quick picture for Instagram. It makes the car look so good. All right, so I'm gonna break out the iPhone, get a picture for Instagram. If you're not following my Instagram, I don't plug my own Instagram in here too much.
Oh, I better get a different view because there's too much crap in the background. Oh my gosh, and there's geese flying in the sky. I hope you got those birds, babe. It just looks like a big bright blur.
Yeah, I know. It's hard to get the sky. This is one of those purchases that once you get it, you're like, should have done this earlier. Should have done this a long time ago. All the times that we have struggled unloading and loading this car.
Pigeon Forge was fun.
Yeah, Pigeon Forge. Typically, I purposely try to not put the struggling parts in the video.
It's a
which,
fight.
Making this video, I kind of wish I would have put a lot of those times where we struggled getting the car in and out of the trailer. But we didn't. All right, so we're pulling this flap off because I actually like not having the flap. It gives the trailer, I guess, a cleaner look, and I just like the simpler of not having that extra less moving parts. Yeah, she took the words right out of my mouth. We're gonna go with those, but I suggest anybody that gets these, go on Race Ramp's website. They have instructions that basically tells you everything to do and how to properly measure your car for your particular setup. So follow those instructions. You will pretty much get guidance on which ramps will work the best for you. Those ones over there work the best for me. I'll put the model number in the video description because I don't remember the model number off the top of my head. I know that both of these ramps are the exact same model number, but this one is just FLP added to it for flap. Those ones are the ones that works best for me and the ones that I like the best.
I like these ones, but those are a little easier.
You just like wood.
Lots of wood. Lots of different kinds of wood.
Oh yeah.
Short ones, long ones.
We're gonna go ahead, wrap this video up, and hope that some of you guys may have found this video informative, and maybe these race ramps are something that you guys may have been looking for, or even didn't even know about these things, or knew that these things existed, because I didn't know until Laura taught me. I made that up.
I didn't know they existed.
I've seen other people have them at the track, and I've seen them, and I've always wanted a set, so we finally got, well, 2 sets. My buddy Clay, he's already claimed the other set, so we're gonna give him those sets right there, and then we're gonna keep those. All right, hun, you wanna tell them bye-bye?
Bye. Don't forget to like and comment if you want me to take over JD's channel.